Cyclone Ditwah, which made landfall in Sri Lanka on November 28, then shifted back toward the Bay of Bengal, triggering some of the worst floods and landslides the country has experienced in decades. Disaster has impacted all 25 districts of Sri Lanka. As of now, 474 people have lost their lives, and 356 are reported missing. Nearly 999,000 people across all 25 districts of Sri Lanka have been affected. More than 180,000 people from over 51,000 families are currently taking shelter in 1,094 government-run safety centers, as search and rescue operations continue. The hardest-hit districts are Gampaha, Colombo, Puttalam, and Mannar, along with Trincomalee and Batticaloa. Deadly landslides in the central hill country have devastated Kandy, Badulla, and Matale. Initial assessments indicate that more than 15,000 homes have been destroyed. Over 200 roads remain impassable, at least 10 bridges have been damaged, and sections of the rail network and the national power grid have also been affected. Access to clean water remains a major concern, with several areas reporting little or no supply. The health system is under strain, and food insecurity looms. Several district hospitals remain flooded, receiving only limited supplies, while critically ill patients are being airlifted to functioning facilities. The government has announced that Sri Lankans living overseas, as well as foreign nationals, can contribute to relief efforts for those affected by the ongoing disaster in the country. This is the scene of a massive landslide along the Hatton-Colombo Road. Heartbreaking social media videos confirm the widespread tragedy of animals left helpless by the cyclone floods. The incident you see here is the recent Bell 212 helicopter crash in Lunawila, caused by it falling into the Jin Oya. One Air Force pilot was killed in the accident. The rescue operations carried out by the Sri Lanka Air Force. The nation extends its sincere and profound gratitude to the entire armed forces, who, in every moment of crisis, stand as protectors of the people, risking their own lives while demonstrating unwavering dedication, bravery, and commitment. The Indian Armed Forces have arrived in Sri Lanka to support ongoing relief and rescue operations. At this moment, when our own people are suffering through this great calamity, what they need most is support and assistance. Seeing the countless compassionate individuals, both local and international, step forward to help them is a feeling so profound and heartfelt that words cannot fully express it.